Is it time to buy or sell Supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we will explore Supermicrocomputer in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 28th of March, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You won't want to miss any essential updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be seen as financial advice. Since the 28th of March, 2025, our system has rated Supermicrocomputer as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.83. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold accumulate recommendation. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 23.21% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 23.21% and 136.73%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -55.74%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -100% to -31.52% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $0 and $23.46. Our latest daily update for Supermicrocomputer includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Supermicrocomputer Stock Price After Friday Trading. The Supermicrocomputer stock price decreased by 1.32% on the last day, Friday, the 28th of March, 2025, falling from $34.72 to $34.26. This marks the 5th consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 6.49%, ranging from a low of $33.89 to a high of $36.09. Over the last 10 days, the price has dropped in 8 of those days, resulting in an overall decline of 18.76%. Notably, trading volume also fell on the last day, which is viewed positively as volume should ideally follow the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 3 million shares, with a total of 45 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.55 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $106.90, while the lowest was $17.25. Currently, the price stands at 67.95%, or $72.64, below the 52-week high, and 72.12%, or $88.64, below the all-time high reached on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $122.90. Supermicrocomputer, Incorporated, trading under the symbol SMCI, is gaining attention in the market today, with an analyst initiating a buy recommendation and suggesting a target price of 35. This comes amid rising demand for liquid-cooled artificial intelligence technology, where Supermicro appears to be well-positioned despite facing competition from major players like Dell and Hewlett-Packard. Notably, the company's valuation is attractive, demonstrated by a forward price-to-earnings ratio of 14.2 and a price-earnings-to-growth ratio of 0.3, suggesting there may be room for upward movement in stock price. Furthermore, the company is benefiting from artificial intelligence tailwinds and has recently upgraded its product line, shipping over 20 new systems that redefine single-socket performance. These advancements target data center workloads and could lead to significant cost savings, enhancing market competitiveness. However, it's important to recognize that recent challenges include a negative rating from Goldman Sachs, leading to a sell-off in the stock. Despite these hurdles, the long-term outlook remains promising, with potential top-line growth driven by customizable graphics processing units and a focus on global expansion. In the short term, the current negative sentiment may affect the stock price, but as the demand for artificial intelligence solutions grows, Supermicro's strategic initiatives could lead to a substantial rebound and a positive stock performance over time, especially if they manage to navigate accounting concerns and maintain supplier relationships effectively. Given these dynamics, investors might consider this period an opportune moment to engage with SMCI's stock. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 10th of March 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 18th of February 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a hold grade with a hold action. On the same day, Tuesday, the 18th of February 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 12th of February 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 6th of November 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SMCI a mixed grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Supermicro Computer stock a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral and the price-to-book ratio as sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro Computer. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The Supermicro Computer stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two signals, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $38.52 and $42.67. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 19, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 43.14%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that you may find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 28 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 16 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 29 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro Computer. Supermicro Computer finds support from accumulated volume at $33.84. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $2.20 between its high and low, which is a change of 6.49%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 7.95%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Supermicro Computer, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate minimal expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 52 cents. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicro Computer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicro Computer is at $39.68. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Super Microcomputer meets its first support level at $33.84. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Super Microcomputer from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of February, 2025, Blair Robert L. conducted an insider purchase of 13,600 shares of common stock. On the same day, Blair Robert L. also executed an insider sale of 13,600 shares of stock options, which grant the right to buy. Additionally, on the 28th of February 2025, Blair Robert L. sold another 13,600 shares of common stock. On that day, Blair Robert L. further sold 5,860 shares of common stock. On the 27th of February 2025, Wigan David E. made an insider purchase of 11,964 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 33.628. In total, insiders acquired 5,687,057 shares and sold 2,900,162 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $32.18, reflecting a decline of 6.08%. This stock demonstrates medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 27 days ago. Is Super Microcomputer stock a good buy? Super Microcomputer presents several negative signals indicating it might be a candidate for selling. However, due to the possibility of a turnaround, it may also be considered a hold or accumulate option at this time while we await further developments. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, changing it from a sell to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 31st of March, we anticipate Super Microcomputer will open higher by approximately 487 hundredths of a dollar, starting trading at $34.75. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at Stock Invest.